This is a small guide to get you introduced to helping out with the VRChat Legends Wiki. To get started editing on the wiki, the first thing you need to do is register a Fandom account. You can do this here. This is to protect against spam and vandalism. Once you are logged in, you have different options for what you want to do. You can either edit the page in visual mode, just clicking the editing button, or you can edit it directly in source. Keep in mind that the visual editor is very limited, and some features you have to use source mode. You can swap between the two different editing modes on the top side of the page, but this is generally slow. I recommend using the button from the initial page instead. Editing in source mode, you will see the wiki code for the page. Editing in this mode is generally recommended, but it takes some time getting used to. Wiki code is very similar to HTML code or markup if you've ever made websites or similar editing. If you Google wiki text fandom, you will find this page that shows all the different kinds of wiki formatting. To create a new page, you can either click the Create New Page button on the top right menu, or you can type it directly into the address bar. For example, if I want to create a page named My Page, I type My Page, hit enter, and I will get the option to create this page. Now to link to my page from another page, I put the name of the article inside double brackets. For example, if I want to link to my character article, I type Sten Berglund and I get it suggested preview, and this will create a link to my character's page. That is the basis of linking in wiki editing. When writing an article about the character, you call the info box character template, which contains the following information. You can also go to the wiki template article and copy and paste the syntax for it. Then you just need to fill in after the equal sign. A good way to get started with wiki editing is to check other articles. The good thing about wikis is that you can always go back in history and track every single edit that has ever been made. If you click the history tab, you will load a list of all the edits, who made the edit. You can compare changes between edits. If I want to compare all the changes that was done by this user, I click from this date to this date, and then I hit compare revision. Now it will show all the text that was removed in red and all the text that was added in green. To go back in history for a page, click the date of the page that you want to go back to, and it will show exactly how the page looked way back then. If you want to restore this page, you type edit source and type save.